In the jungle, warm and bright, lived Ellie the elephant, big and light. With floppy ears and a trunk so long, she stomped and played all day long. But one fine day, with a little breeze, Ellie felt a tickle, oh no, a sneeze. Her trunk wiggled, her eyes squeezed tight, and then, oh dear, what a sight! Achoo, achoo, hold on tight. Ellie sneezes, reach the height. Cover quick, or you might fly like a kite up in the sky. With the whoosh, the trees bent low, leaves went swirling to and fro. Monkeys tumbled, birds took flight, parrots squawked, oh what a fright! Ellie gasped and gave a frown, her big sneeze shook the ground. She sniffed again, oh not once more. The jungle animals ran for the door. Hippos dived, giraffes ducked down, zebras spun round and round. Then at last the sneezes stopped. Ellie giggled, then she hopped. Now when Ellie feels a tickle, she grabs a leaf and blows it little. The jungle laughs, the birds all cheer. No one flies